Are you sick and tired of being broke? Well, I understand how you feel. Are you sick and tired of just sitting at home, not having any money, being stressed because of financial problems? Don't worry, I know how you feel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make like $43 or even $50 an hour. It's quite a lot of money if you think about it. There are 24 hours in the day, so you can do the calculation. What I'm going to show you is a very easy thing to do. You don't need to stress, you don't need any skill, you don't need any experience, nothing at all. All you need to do is watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important step. I'm going to show you exactly the procedure on what you need to do and how you need to do it. Now, just know that this is available worldwide. It doesn't really matter where you're coming from, which country you're from, which continent you're in. If you're in Africa or in America or South America or Europe or Asia or Australia, you can actually do this. So, you should also know that you can do this on your phone or on your computer. You don't need the most expensive device to do this. Just an average phone or an average computer can work for you. Now, before I show you how it works, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. That red button, just click the red button right now, subscribe, turn on all post notifications so that anytime I have a new video for you, you'll be easily available and you can easily watch it. Now, the website we're going to be looking at today is called GoTranscript. It's gotranscript.com. Now, as you can see over here, basically what you're going to be doing is transcribing an audio into text, which simply means that, for example, if they give you a text via audio, so you'll listen to it and every word that you hear, you actually type it in on a piece of paper. On your computer, of course, or on your phone. So you will type in every single word you hear from what you're listening to. Sounds fun, right? For example, if you're listening to your favorite song, every single word in the song, you'll type it in on a Word document. Sounds really fun, right? It is. And you can make a lot of money. So as you can see over here, the incorporation with Forbes, the Huffington Post, Entrepreneur, Fast Company, TechCo. So it's a very big company, as you can see. Now you can get 72 cents per minute. Now don't underestimate this figure. This is a lot of money. Let's go to the online calculator quickly. So over here, if we do 72 cents times, let's take for example 60 minutes, which is an hour. So you can make $43 an hour. Can you imagine $43 an hour for simply transcribing? That's amazing, right? It is. So what you'll need to do, you need to sign up. So you want to click on the sign up button over here. So you'll come to this page. You can either sign up with your Facebook or with your Google account, or you can just sign up with any email. You'll just type in your email over here, then put in your password. So they're going to provide you with, for example, an audio book, a short audio book that is maybe 1 hour or 30 minutes, and every single word you actually need to type it in on a Word document. So you just want to open a Word document and you actually just want to transcribe everything that you hear. Now, it might sound really stressing, but it actually isn't. I'm going to give you a shortcut that can actually do everything for you. So just make sure you keep watching the video and you don't miss any part. So look over here. There's a software called NCH software. This software is basically meant to make life easier for you. What this software actually does is that it transcribes the audio for you. So you just actually want to type onto Google NCH, or the URL is nch.com.au. I'll put the link in the description as well. So as you can see over here, what you're actually going to get done is that you're going to upload the audio that you have, and it's going to transcribe it for you. Sounds great, right? Well, it is. It makes life easier, which means that you don't actually have to type in everything you hear from the audio, but this software will actually do every single thing for you. So this is the beauty of it. If you don't know how to get over here, what you want to do is you want to go onto Google. Once you're on Google, you want to type in NCH. So it's called NCH. So you just want to put NCH software. Okay, when you type in NCH software, you're gonna see over here. Yeah, this is it over here. NCH software. You want to click on the first link you see over here. And wait for it. And basically, yes, this is the software. So the software is available all over the internet, and it will actually do all the work for you. So this is a kind of work that you can do throughout the day. So you just need to sign up and you can start making money from transcribing. So this is the website I actually wanted to show you guys. It's absolutely great. It's very easy to do actually with the method that I showed you, and you can actually get audios in different languages. As you can see, they say we are multilingual. There are different languages, but with the NCH software, you don't need to worry. It will do everything for you. So this is what I wanted to show you today. I hope it helps you. I hope you can make some money from this. People are making money from this, and it's a great opportunity. And as I showed you over here, you can make $43 per hour. So it depends on the amount of hours that you actually work, and just make the most out of it. The website is good, transcript, and I hope you enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching. And yes, I need to let you know that they will be paying you via PayPal. So you need to create a PayPal account. They'll pay you within 24 hours for every transcription that you make. So that's about it. Please subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Turn on all post notifications, and I'll keep getting more information on how you can make more money online. Cheers.